Hello and welcome to our family workshop. Now, scrap wood is an important part of what we do here as a family business. And in this video, you can see we've got some scrap wood ready and some simple designs that we prepared to make badges and pendants in woods. It's a demonstration we've done on a few occasions, but we always like to add new designs and new ideas to the process. So we prepare our woods, we prepared our designs, we then use a PVA solution to stick the designs onto the wood itself. We use our Starbond super glue and the accelerant to stack cut to add contrasting colours to different layers. The way we do these, we cut out the centre of each design. So that's why you can see us doing that pierce work holes with our pillar drill. We then sand the items on the belt sander and we will cut them out on the scroll saw. But because you've got those two layers, one in light wood, one in dark wood, so we got chestnut and mahogany, we can stick the darker layer to the lighter layer and the lighter layer to the darker layer to create some unique and original designs of jewellery. To add an extra element to this process as well, we will use coloured super glue later on to add more definition to the design. Quite often we adapt and alter what we're doing. So for the flower design, I thought it would be nice to drill out the center so we can use that colored super glue to add that third color to the design. But the basic process on the scroll saw, you do all of your pierce work, so all of the internal cuts first of all on all of our items of jewellery, and then we proceed to cut the outline of each individual piece. In total, we've got 5 different designs. So we have a simple heart, we got the moon, a flower design, a star, and then a more simple 4-petaled flower design. When we're working with stack cutting, we use those 4 dots in each corner. So it's important to keep the corners attached to the items for as long as possible. After we finished on our scroll saw, we put all of the items onto a piece of paper. We spray the accelerant for our Starbond super glue, and we then add that coloured super glue, that black super glue, to the items, sticking the contrasting layers together, but also adding a third colour to the design itself. Our simple little modern style heart designs, they need a little bit of hand carving just at the top of the heart to add more definition and character to the design. So we use our hand carving skills to do that. We then put a little pin badge on the back, once again using the Starbond super glue, because a few of these designs we're going to turn into badges. The rest of them we start to prepare for making pendants. So we use a spike to bore a hole, and afterwards we use the hole that we bored to twist in a little metal eye, and this will be used to put our leather cord in afterwards to create our pendants. We can then add our 3 coats of shellac sanding sealer. So the first coat raises the grain, rub it back down and put those other 2 coats on. A final coat then of linseed oil mixed with beeswax. For myself then, probably the most complicated part of the process is to add that necklace, that leather cord to the design. So we're just using simple little stoppers and tying a knot and then pushing them together to create a simple pendant style. So there you go, 5 different pendant designs that you might want to have a go at making. If you do, remember to check the link in the description. You can find all sorts of scroll saw designs on our website for you to use for free. If you're new here and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when we upload another video. And as always, thank you again for watching.